Looking for the perfect air fryer that's fast, reliable, and makes healthy cooking effortless? Let's check out the 3 best air fryers that stand out in 2025. 1. Ninja Double Stack. The Ninja Double Stack is a game changer for families or anyone who cooks in bulk. Its unique double layer design means you can cook 2 completely different meals at the same time without mixing flavors. Think chicken on one side and fries on the other. It's super spacious yet compact on your counter, and still uses up to 75% less fat than traditional frying. If you love crispy textures but hate the guilt, this one's a winner. Plus, it's built with Ninja's reliability, so it'll last you for years. 2. Cosori TurboBlaze. The Cosori TurboBlaze is built for speed. It's one of the fastest air fryers on the market, thanks to its powerful motor and smart air circulation. That means less waiting and more eating. It comes with 9 cooking functions, so you can air fry, roast, broil, bake, and more, all with one device. It's also energy efficient, which helps cut down on electricity costs, and the basket is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. If you're someone who values speed, convenience, and taste, this is the air fryer for you. 3. Instant Vortex Plus. Now, if versatility is your top priority, the Instant Vortex Plus has you covered. This is a 6-in-1 air fryer that can air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, and reheat. With even crisp technology, your food comes out perfectly golden. Crispy on the outside, tender and juicy on the inside. It's perfect for experimenting with different recipes, whether that's crunchy wings, homemade chips, or even dried fruit snacks. And the sleek design looks great in any kitchen, so there you have it. Each one has something unique to offer, and you can't go wrong with any of them. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more product breakdowns, and drop a comment below telling me which air fryer you'd choose.